This is the last monthly wrap for Sparks Finance. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia met for the last time this year and decided to keep the cash rate on hold at 4.35%. Now, this wasn't out of the blue. Everyone kind of thought that they were going to do that over the Christmas period and leave it as is until their next decision in February. Now, moving forward, people think, okay, well, when are the rates looking? The numbers look good. There is a lot of sort of momentum, and warranted that we could probably look to reduce those interest rates. But a majority of the economists believe that that drop will potentially come around that mid-2025, around about that sort of May, June, July type area. Now, obviously, we don't want to rely on that. It's really important that we still have fiscal responsibility, especially over the Christmas period when everything's pretty crazy. So just try to keep that spending in check as much as you can to make sure that you're not taking any debt into 2020 or any unnecessary debt into 2025 to set you up yourself right. But looking at other news, in the finance world, in particular, looking at the guarantee schemes that are available. So looking at the regional first home buyer guarantee, the first home buyer guarantee, and the family guarantee, that scheme is finishing on the 30th of June 2025. So it's really important that if you're looking at getting into the market, to be able to try to take advantage of those while they're on offer. So that the family guarantee allows you to get into the property market with a 2% deposit, and the regional first home buyer scheme and the first home buyer scheme allows you to get in for a minimum of 5%. So really good schemes that are still available for the next 6 months to make sure you can get into the market for a low cost and obviously save quite a bit in lender's mortgage insurance. So looking at 2025, obviously, everyone's sort of having a good time thinking about the year that we've had and enjoying and celebrating that, which we should do. But a lot of people move to that 2025 thinking about what are my goals, what am I going to do in next year? And so that's where we can come in. If you guys have any, plans on, potentially looking at getting into the market for the first time, or, trying to save some money by refinancing, or looking at doing some renovations, or, upgrading your home or purchasing, this is what we can help you with. So, let's get ahead of that. Let's set you up the right way for 2025. Let's have a chat now and see what we can do and how we can help you achieve those goals for 2025. But for us, looking at the festive season, we will be open outside of public holidays. So if you want to speak to someone who's got a bit of time off work, and you want to sit down and have a discussion and try to create a bit of a plan, let us know. We will be available to you guys. So yeah, just give us a call, book in a time. But outside of the public holidays, we'll be right to go. Now, obviously, throughout the festive season, it is a great time for giving as well. I want to shout out to our friends at Ray White Lithgow and LJ Hooker Lithgow, who are both doing Christmas appeals at the moment. So if you guys do have any spare money lying around, please feel free to go and buy a gift for a child and donate it to one of those 2 locations, and they'll be able to spread that out to the great local charities in the area, to distribute to some kids and families who might be less fortunate than us. But shout out to those guys who are doing that. It's a great initiative. But that's pretty much it from us, guys. I just want to say thank you very much to everyone for the great year that we've had. Let's have a great festive season. I hope you enjoy the time with your friends and family. Please be safe, have a great time, and we look forward to getting into 2025 and having a cracker year. Thank you.